Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a tasty and healthy lentil soup recipe. And here I already prepared and washed parsley leaves, 3 pieces of white onion, a tablespoon of salt and onion powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, a coffee cup of small rice, and 2.5 cups of small lentil seeds, and olive oil. Let's get started. Let's add the small rice to the lentils. Let's wash. After washing, let's soak it for about 15 minutes. For the meantime, let's cut our ingredients. Cut into half and cut into cubes. Let's cut our parsley. Our ingredients already prepared. Using our pressure pot, let's heat the olive oil. Once the olive oil hot, let's fry our onion. Fry until it becomes brown. After 15 minutes, let's wash and strain our lentils and rice. Once the onion turns to brown, let's add our lentils. Let's mix and fry a little bit. Let's add our parsley. Let's mix all together. Let's add water. I added 1 liter of water. Cover and let it boil until it cooks for about 20 to 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, let's check our lentils. Now it's already done. Take a scoop of lentils and put it in our blender. And let's blend. And it's done. After blending, let's strain it on our strainer. Strain it to remove the small particles. Keep aside. Let's repeat the process. Scoop again and put in the blender. Let's blend again. Done. Let's add a bit of water because it's sticky. Strain. Let the soup drop. Now totally drain. As you can see, there's small particles and we don't need it. Repeat the process. Put the second batch. Set aside to strain. Now let's blend the last batch. Set aside. Let's shake a little bit and add a bit of water. Shake it. And then straining it. Almost done. Let's put it on the cooking machine and add some seasonings. Put it on medium heat and keep on shaking on medium heat to avoid burning. Let's add our cumin powder. Keep on stirring. Add a cup of water because it's a bit thick. Stir. Put a teaspoon of black pepper. Shake it. Taste to adjust the salt. So tasty. Keep on shaking, stirring until boil a little bit. When it's boiled, turn off our cooking machine. And our tasty and healthy lentil soup is ready to serve. Let's serve it in our serving bowl. Our tasty and healthy lentil soup is ready to serve.